What is up, everybody? Tanner here with another video. Hope you're all having a great day, and today I have a special video, sort of a surprise for you guys. I know a lot of you guys that are interested in my videos also follow some other, different entrepreneurs on YouTube and social media overall. And today I decided to fly one in all the way from California. And this was very last minute. So a lot of you guys didn't expect it. I haven't really been active on Instagram or anything like that. So no teasers have really been out. But I want you to comment right now. Who do you think it is that I flew out all the way here to North Carolina to make videos with? Let me know right now in the comments. So right now, actually, I'm about to head to the warehouse and switch out the Mercedes for the Porsche, and then I'm going to pick this person up and have a good time. So I'll keep you guys updated along the way and see you guys once we get the Porsche and then once we get to the airport. So see you there. Well, made it to the warehouse, got the Porsche ready to go. AMG's back over there, and the person that's coming is actually gonna be driving that car while he's here. But yeah, let's head to the airport now and I'll see you when we get there. All right, well, got back from the airport. I picked up the special guest, and maybe you know who it is. Hayden Bowles.
What's good?
Your second favorite e-com YouTuber. So yes, I know a lot of you guys, a lot of my audience that watches me also watches Hayden, or at least knows of him. I've seen a few of his videos. He's been posting every day for like,
I'd say
he missed like one day, but
hey, that wasn't my fault. Look, people, oh, you missed one day. A lot of people didn't notice, which is kind of funny. But the video was ready, it was done. YouTube screwed up the scheduling.
That was like when you were traveling, right?
Wasn't, no, actually.
Oh, I thought.
Yeah, I'd come back from overseas, but I was traveling at the time in the States, so.
Yeah, so if you guys don't know about me and Hayden, I've known Hayden for a while now, like, I don't know, 1 or 2 years. Like, he sort of got me into YouTube and actually starting a channel. Gibbies, stop being loud. I'm trying to film a video here.
You know what?
But anyways, if you go like way back on Hayden's channel, or even the first video on my channel was like last October. That was actually the last time I saw Hayden
in Miami, yo, the one on the balcony.
On the balcony.
We were flexing back in Miami like a year ago. We were starting to make some money. He'd been making it with influencers. I was affiliate marketing, influencers, e-com at that point. And we got the 6th spot at the W in Miami, the Icon Brickle. That was so sick.
Yeah, that was actually my first time in Miami. I fell in love since then. But that was the first time I met Hayden. It was actually at like a car show with JR Garage, Kieran, a few other people, and I met Hayden there, and then we ended up, talking about different business things, and then he showed me the stuff he was doing. I was like, shoot, maybe I should make a YouTube channel. So he made that video, and I literally downloaded his video and then uploaded it on my channel as the first video.
And how many views does it have now?
Who knows?
A couple thousand. Someone let us know in the comments.
Yeah, but that was fun since then. And then actually, that hasn't even been a year yet, almost a year. But looking back at where we were a year ago, like, bro, that Airbnb, I don't even know how we afforded that, because that was that was a nice place.
Like, we're out there, we were slinging some money for sure, like trying to do some stuff. Like, I started renting cars, like, tasting that, because we had some money coming in, but it was never like crazy consistent. So he wants to be in the video too. We'll get you in a second, homie. Chill. Like, your shop was not that big yet. Relax. So now we're gonna be doing a boxing match. It's never before been done on the history of the internet. We're gonna charge $10 flat. You guys can be a YouTube live stream. You're gonna come on, watch us fight, and spoiler alert, we're just gonna tie. We're gonna end up tying at the end, and we're gonna do a rematch in LA. So if you guys want to see, I can't even.
And we're making merch.
That's so funny. There's gonna be merch, yo. There's gonna be whatever. Like, it's gonna be sick,
Come watch it. You'll see, who wins. If we make at least 5-10 grand off you guys, it's worth it.
9 of you who live under a rock and don't know where that's from, Jake Paul, Logan Paul, Deji, KSI.
I made a video on that. Got so many dislikes.
People hate it. It's so stupid.
Like if you guys look at them
if you're gonna dislike a video like that, you're just retarded. Not
even the video. It's just like because of the people. If you guys look at those influencers specifically, whether you like their content or not.
I know how much they made last year. Like, it's not like they just go out saying that. Like, I know that. Jake and Logan are one of the only actual personalities in the space. Trust me, I know these people. All these famous clout, whatever. They're one of the only people actually making real money.
Yeah.
There's other people I'm not gonna throw out names. In the fitness space and the different
YouTube,
a little bit, but literally nobody's capitalizing, not even close to what they're doing.
Yeah, a year ago, like, I thought it was so crazy if I talked to a YouTuber with like 100K subscribers, and now I'm friends with like so many people that are like big YouTubers or influencers on Instagram, whatever it is, and like you get to know them and you realize like most of them don't really understand
they don't
business.
know how to make money. It's crazy. I've wondered. I was telling you about him when I'm up in Hollywood. He has millions and millions and millions of followers, and like literally he's begging me to like take him on as a client to do this stuff, and I just can't right now because it doesn't fit my schedule. But it literally blows my mind that someone can have millions and millions and millions of followers that are real, engaged, like legit, and they're making like 20 grand a month.
Like they just don't know how to monetize off of their own platform, which sort of sucks. Like as us, like we're not famous influencers, we don't have millions of subscribers, but we know more how to utilize our audience and how to utilize, you know, just the social media platforms overall with Facebook ads, influencers, you know, whatever it is. We know how to structure our businesses and make money off of that in the right way instead of, you know, posting cool pictures and getting, you know, 100,000 likes or whatever it is cool, but like if you're not making money off of that, or you're making very, you know, a minuscule amount compared to the, you know, like ratio.
You might as well do it the right way. They just don't know how. Some of them don't really care. But for them, it's kind of funny too, because I saw a lot of them came from like a lower background, so even like that 20K a month for them is like, but then they end up like doing that for a year or two and then they get bored of it, which is kind of what happens.
I want to talk about real quick from a year ago when we first met to now, like how much has changed. Like honestly, it's crazy to think about. Like
it's ridiculous. Not even just the money.
Yeah, it's
not
just,
you know, the relationship, not only between us but between all the other people we know, the people that have come and gone, because that's a lot.
Oh yeah.
The businesses, the structure we have, the mindset, the way we spend our money, invest our money, like how we do everything, taxes, figuring all that stuff out. This dude got rinsed, but you know, it's been a lot of fun. You know, definitely a really interesting
But literally
journey.
1 year.
Yeah,
one year.
I made a video like it actually went up today as we're filming this. How to change your life in 12 months. Like that right there, that concept blew my mind. Like you can absolutely revolutionize everything. I don't mean just from a financial standpoint. One of the analogies I gave in there is being a soccer player. Well, dude, if you want to go from crappy at soccer to really good in 1 year, you can do it. But guess what? You're going to have to play every day. But that's not the only thing. So in business, you don't just do that. You're going to have to be in the gym, lifting weights, stretching, eating right, watching the right stuff. So to apply that to business, reading books, attending seminars, programs, whatever, talking to the right people. It's the
biggest thing for me has been like the relationships behind. I know you sort of touched on that, but it's like the connections that I've built have been crazy. I could literally travel like anywhere in the world and I know someone in that location that owns a business or makes money, whether it's $5,000 a month or $500,000 a month. You know, just building these connections off of our brands. Like me and Hayden haven't seen each other in a year, you know, from this moment. But we still
I honestly think like we're just forgetting, but I think it's correct.
I mean, you
know, we FaceTime, whatever, like we're like, yo, like, do this,
of course.
we gotta fix this up,
like we work on projects together, you know. It seems like we're
alone
together
most of the time, like pretty much with everything I do.
Same.
Like, and that's fine. Like I have connections, and I'm very careful about who I actually hang out with. But I don't know.
It's just crazy, dude. 1 year, guys. If you want to change your life and not like. It's all about just taking action. Like I tried something, I failed, you know, I tried different things. Like literally right over here in my room is like a bunch of units of the first store I ever made.
Thousands of boxes of products. Like look, 2 years ago, not 1 year ago, 2 years ago I wouldn't even have considered buying this. Because the $3 this would have costed me would have been like, I'd rather have $3. And now that's just from a financial piece, but you know what? This has been fun. In the last 8 minutes I've been playing with this, I've gotten at least $12 worth of value. So look, if one of you wants to come and buy this, I'm gonna have to charge you more than $3. So guess what? I just made a profit. Not necessarily from money, but from fun.
Are you gonna sign it?
I could.
Boxing match, giving it away.
Yeah, after that's the prize.
But yeah, guys, I know a lot of you guys see like all these other e-com entrepreneurs, like, you know, you don't really see the behind the scenes of like me and Hayden talking about business or whatever. You may think we don't talk to each other at all. You may think we're like enemies, not necessarily enemies, but like we don't like each other because, you know, we're in the similar space, we do similar things. But the thing is when you collaborate, you know, those two different individuals from different brands, you know, not even two people, it could be 5 people, whatever it is. When you collaborate, you can build much more bigger things than on your own. That's one thing I've been starting to realize recently is like building a team and building relationships with people within your own, you know, niche that you can build your own businesses together, because that just basically expands everything, because Hayden knows a lot more on things that I may not know, and I may know more on certain things that, you know, he doesn't know about. So it's really just about
we do different things too. It's not like we only do the same thing. And that's the thing too. We didn't just meet because of this. Like I know that I was pushing you to do YouTube. I was like, bro, you got to be doing this.
I know.
That. Like, we were doing all that stuff. Like, I knew him for like a year before that. Like,
bro, I would not.
Like,
I would not have done
Instagram pages and stuff.
Yeah, dude, I would not have done it if you didn't tell me. Just because, like, bro, when I did it, if you watch my early videos, they're really cringy. Just because it was scary talking to a camera.
Are you kidding me? I had one of my the old iPhone taped up to a speaker with duct tape, so it's at the right angle, on top of like 6 feet of books as my tripod. Didn't have a camera. Would have to max boost the audio in my free editing software. They were terrible. But guess what?
Do what you gotta do.
And I did it every single day. So.
And now you've had the same camera.
To anyone, yeah, still the same camera. To anyone who doubted me, you look at my yo-yo.
Bro, I've had the same camera too forever.
No, it's like, yeah.
It's like with the YouTube channel, it's not really about the investment of cameras and lighting and all that kind of stuff. It's really just the value and the time we put into it. Like, he posts every day. I post every day now, but
that's funny too, bro. One of the massive YouTubers, like massive, you know, millions and millions of views, makes racks off this stuff, literally gave me a piece of advice a year ago, right as before I bought my G7X. Literally, as I was trying, I had an old Canon T3i. It was like 720p.
These are cameras, by the way, not cars.
Yeah, no, hell no, I didn't have a car back then. But this was at the San Diego event. Yeah, you didn't go to that.
I couldn't make it.
I rented them.
I didn't have money to buy a plane ticket.
Yeah, no, so I went there, and this specific YouTuber, I'm not gonna say who it was, gave me a piece of advice. He's like, dude, don't even bother starting YouTube until you have like the best camera. Like, spend like $4 or $5 grand on that. And if I think back and look at that, this is the stupidest shit I've ever heard. Maybe it was good advice for what he was doing, different niche, but in the business sense, you know, I still believe
it's just
no matter what
the value over the equipment, 100%.
100%. Like, it's that's just what it is.
Anything, guys, just start whatever you want to do. And like, I've taken some hits from people. You know, I get trash talk even before my business stuff, before I had YouTube account and all that stuff. Like, just people I knew in person. Secret call. But yeah, guys, if you want to change your life, it's just really about taking action. You know, nobody can really hate on effort. You know, they can dislike you for what you're doing, but
if you do something dishonest or unethical, especially if you do it more than once. I've seen a lot of people, I know people, especially still relevant, or honestly, they're not really relevant anymore. A lot of people in certain spaces on the internet, in the entrepreneur space, doing unethical shit. It happens, but just be logical. Look at it. You should be able to spot that from a mile away. It's very simple.
Yep. Value over everything. Appreciate all of you guys.
We're gonna end this off. I gotta do. Okay, so I used to be big into yo-yos back when I was a kid.
Yeah, no one cares. So, by the way,
I'm gonna do a trick. I want to see if I can do it. Okay, hang on.
It's not happening. But anyways, the reason Hayden is here is because we are actually filming content for my program, Next Generation E-Commerce. So I'm excited for that, to see what kind of content we can push out for you guys in the program and release that. I'm gonna say October 1st. That will be out. It's gonna be some crazy content you've never seen on my channel or his channel, whatever.
Oh hell no, there's no way you're getting that for free.
Of course not. But anyways, guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video.
These tricks, bro.
Subscribe to Hayden if you haven't already. If you don't know who he is, he has like 90K subscribers, e-com channel. Go check him out. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. We will be filming more content. We're going to the mountains. We're doing a bunch of cool stuff this weekend.
Yeah, that's gonna be sick.
So make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.